So I want to tell you a little story about a client of mine that had a DIY divorce that kind of went wrong. And the reason it went wrong was because there was things that he wasn't thinking about that I easily would have seen. Now, what happened was they were working fine together. They were actually kind of on the same page. And they said, we don't need a lawyer. Let's just go ahead and do this ourselves. It makes sense until it doesn't. And so what they did is they said, okay, you can stay in the house until our youngest graduates high school. Then we'll sell the house and we'll split the proceeds 50-50. Sounds good. Sounds reasonable. But the problem was the markets changed significantly. And here's the thing. The law says anything acquired during the marriage belongs to the marriage. Anything before the marriage or anything after the marriage belongs to that person. But what about this house? You see, this deal was put into place where he stayed in the house. He made all the payments for all these years, property taxes, mortgage payments, everything like that. So the value of the house was not placed into the judgment. So it wasn't clear. Did they intend to split the house then, or did they intend to split the house at the time of the sale? And then what happens is the market changed significantly. Now they're trying to figure out, well, how much do I owe? And what price should I pay? And if I was there at that time, I would have simply said this: listen, this is not a deal that you can't do. We just need to think a little bit further ahead, because are you agreeing to a price now, or is everyone on the same page that we're going to allow the market to decide what we pay? Before you sign a legally binding document, make sure you understand what you're doing, because some things cannot be undone. If you waive spousal support or you waive property rights or give up certain things, these things can now be considered irreversible against you in most circumstances. So before you sign anything, please talk to a lawyer. If you'd like some help with something like that in a limited scope fashion, reach out to my office. We'd be happy to go over your options.